Okay, today is a pretty sunny, windy day with a lot of pollen, and my car is covered with like dusty pollen. Looks dirty, but it's actually just pollen. So this window here I already cleaned, and most people would use something like this, like a glass plus or some specialty spotless cleaner they get from the automotive store. But basically, just to clean up the dust and a little bit of dirt, all you need is like a rag and a bottle with water, just plain water. The trick is not to saturate the window with a lot of water. Don't soak your towel in water and just try to wipe it. You'll leave a lot of water on the window, and then when it dries you have spots. All you have to do, just spray like that, not a whole lot, and then just wipe, and that's it, and your window will be very clean. You don't need something like this that is like $2-3 a bottle at least. That's all you need. Water with a fine spray. Don't let it drip too much. Spray it and immediately wipe it dry. That's it. You don't see a speck of dust. There's no streaks, no water spots. Just plain water. And look over here, this windshield. You can do the same thing. Spray it with water. Use a soft rag like this. Just wipe it clean. It'll do as good a job as this, or even better. Sometimes there are little streaks when you use Glass Plus, but when you use water, there's no streak. Alright, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.